Ready to dive into the world of online trading on Pocket Option? Let's get your account funded in a few simple steps. First things first, head over to the Pocket Option website or open your app and log into your account. Make sure you're using your registered details. Once logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. Look for the deposit button, typically located in the top right corner or in the user menu. Click on that to proceed. Now you're on the deposit page. Pocket Option offers a variety of popular payment methods to suit everyone. You'll see options like credit and debit cards, popular wallets such as Skrill and Neteller, and even cryptocurrency options like Bitcoin. Choose the payment method that works best for you. For example, if you're using a credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code, then input the amount you wish to deposit. Be sure to check the minimum and maximum deposit limits displayed. Always double-check the amount you're depositing before confirming. You might be prompted to re-enter security codes or authorize the transaction through your bank or wallet provider. And just like that, your deposit is complete. Funds are usually credited to your Pocket Option account very quickly, often instantly or within a few minutes, depending on the method you chose. While most deposits are processed rapidly, it's good to be aware of potential processing times. Card deposits are usually instant, while some bank transfers or cryptocurrency transactions might take a little longer. Also, be mindful of any potential fees that might be charged by your chosen payment provider, not by Pocket Option itself. With your account now funded, you're ready to start trading on Pocket Option. Enjoy the platform and happy trading.